Plug and play power for your Raptor side vent and Spartan backlighting is here. Hey guys, Nick here from F150 LEDs. Today we're proud to be introducing our new Raptor Easy Accent Light Adapter. This connector fits all 2021 and up F150 Raptor series trucks and makes installation of LED side vent lighting or backlighting for your Spartans and Paladins a breeze. Simply plug our adapter between the connector attached to your factory grille lights. Now use our toolless, quick connections to attach the ground and power wires from your vent lighting or the backlight power wire from either your Spartan or Paladin lights, lock them in place, and you're done. You can check out this Raptor Accent Light Adapter as well as all of our easy connection options and custom-built LED lighting products made specifically for your Ford Raptor at F150LEDs.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube below and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150 LEDs. Thank you so much for your support. It truly is our honor to serve you, and we can't wait to see you soon at F150LEDs.com. Thanks, guys.